Hey everyone, it is time for a Tara's must-have. What's a Tara's must-have? It's an item or a collection that I have curated just for you that's pretty, it's practical, and it's purposeful. And I love the fact that we have 2 of our 10-ounce ramekins. But what's even better than 2? How about 4? Yep, this is a buy one, get one. So you pick your first set for $18.95. And then you get a second set for free. And the best news, you can pick a different pattern and you can pick a different color. So what a great way if you wanted to try something new to do just that. So let's talk about these. First of all, they're flower shaped, which I love. I love the fact that if you're doing condiments in here, maybe you're doing chips and guac. Maybe you want to put your ketchup and mustard in here. Maybe you want to use these with your dinnerware and layer them inside, and now it becomes like a little soup bowl or a little individual dessert. They're little prep bowls. These, I love to say, these little suckers, they're amazing. They morph into so many different things that I love the fact that, of course, you can try these and incorporate them into everything that you already own. And I love the fact that when you shop with us over at temp-tations.com, this is our month of discovery, all August long. We have been sharing our amazing products with you for over 18 years. And this is so fun because you get a set of 4 for what you'd pay for one. They're normally just the 2 of them, a $30 value. The fact you're now going to get 4 of them for $18.95 when you shop with us over at temp-tations.com, and you can customize and pick different colors and different patterns, that's what we love. So think about picking these up and adding these to all of those great kind of things you're always looking for, things you're always in search for, and truly setting a beautiful table.